What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're in our sport line, Ellie obviously, and we're driving the 190. Oh, and we have 190,000 miles on it. Kind of ironic. But we're on our way to a buddy's house to go work on a ridiculously beautiful, honestly, it is a flawless Cosy. So let's get there and get to work. Alright guys, so here it is. This is a 1984 190E 2.3 Cosworth. This thing is flawless. It was painted and literally stored immediately after the paint. I mean, the guy even painted under the hood. It looks like a mirror under here. Look at this. And then, like I said, it is the 2.316 valve. This is a Euro spec, and what we're going to be doing and working on today is the fuel pump. The fuel pump is unfortunately seized. We changed all the fluids, did everything, so now we got to do this. Obviously, when you start, you have to jack up the car and remove this cover. Let's go ahead and get that done so I can show you this cover. Okay, as you can see, we jacked up the car, have our jack stands on. Now what we need to do is remove this plastic cover that covers the fuel pump, accumulator, and fuel filter. So let's go ahead and get this thing off. Okay, now that we have the cover off, what you're going to want to do is take off the 7mm for the positive, and then the top is an 8mm. And then what you're going to need is a Phillips screw to take these guys out right here. There are nuts on the top. Make sure you take them off. This is 17, and this is a Phillips, and then you're done. Alright guys, so the fuel pumps are officially in. I apologize, I didn't record that process. It's just extremely hard to try to get the right camera angles and everything when I'm underneath the car trying to remove them. But take my word for it, they're in, it's done. We have a new Bosch fuel pump in there. So let's go ahead and try to start this thing and see what happens. Fingers crossed, guys. Alright guys, first start, let's see what happens. We just primed the fuel pump. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, drop a comment down below. Do you think this thing is going to start, or do you think it's not going to start? Oh, man. Alright guys, so after a little bit of persuasion and cleaning out these fuel lines, it's obviously running, it started. Whoop, whoop. Let's see what happens. Alright, so after we went ahead and cleaned up the fuel lines, we also had to clean the injectors, but as you guys can hear and tell, this thing is running and driving amazing. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. I apologize I haven't been posting in a while. I've been extremely sick, going back and forth and doing a few other things as well, but here you go. Hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
That's how they sound, huh?
Yeah.
I mean,